guys! Welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos, and for subscribing to my channel. And in this video, guys, is another unboxing. It's summertime, guys, so we decided to buy a air cooler. Because you know now it's during lunchtime, it's really warm. You know, it's a few days ago the temperature was 36 degrees, so it's unbearable. So let's start, guys. Okay, so the brand of this air cooler is HANABISHI, and the model number is HAC-2200. And the features, guys, are the following. The capacity of the water is 10 liters with the 4 slides honeycomb filter with remote control, which is very nice because then you don't need to go to the unit every time that you want to switch off or switch on. And of course, more important is ionizer, which is cleaning the air. And there is also, guys, a timer which is 24 hours. So if you want to set up only for 1 hour or 2 hours, then you can do as well. And the wind speed of this one is 12 meters per second. So, and then of course there is other things like you know, the size of the box, and then the unit dimensions, and there are also the rated voltage, which is 230 volts. So now, guys, let's open it and let's see how it looks like. So first, yes, there is the instruction manual, which is very important. You know, before you switch on the unit, you must always read the manual. And there is also the certificate for the warranty. And this one, guys, is a bit heavy, so I need help from my sister. Come on, Ren. Help me. So here it is, guys. Looks very nice. And for the time being, guys, I cannot give you really the review, because still I don't know. And still I must read the manual, and then on my next video, guys, I will show you the demo and of course the review, how efficient this air cooler is. So I hope that you like this unboxing video, and see you on my next video for the review of this HANABISHI air cooler. And thank you, guys, for watching, and see you next time. Bye!